Bulletin. I'm Adira, and I'm still a student of this school. First of all, let us have a gather at the international news. She says China will not seek dominance over Southeast Asia. Chinese leader Xi Jinping says his country will not seek dominance over Southeast Asia or bully its smaller neighbors amid ongoing friction over the South China Sea. Now, Covaxin on UK's approved travel list. Covaxin, one of the vaccine being used nationwide in the inoculation campaign against the COVID-19 pandemic, is on the UK's list of approved COVID-19 vaccines for international travelers from Monday. Now, let us move on to the national news. CAG to start natural resources according the Comptroller and Auditor General CAG of India on Monday said it will start according of natural resources such as mines and help state governments so that real-time audit of local bodies became possible. Brigade Group to invest 2,000 crores in Chennai. Bangalore-based property developer Brigade Group has announced that it would invest about 2,000 crores to develop an additional 1 million square feet each in residential and commercial space over the next 3 to 5 years in Chennai. Now, let us switch on to the state news. Kerala scientists to be honored at Indomet 2021. The International Symposiums on Tropical Methodology begins organized under the aegis of the Cochin University of Science and Technology. In collaboration with the Cochin chapter of the Indian Meteorology Society from Tuesday, will honor three eminent scientists from Kerala R. Anandakrishnan, Anna Modialmani and P. R. Pishore Reddy, who contributed significantly to meteorological research in the country. Shabarimala pilgrimage began on a positive note. Over 58,000 visit temple in the first 6 days. It may take a while for long queues and packed crowds to be back at Shabarimala, but the ongoing annual pilgrimage season at the Ayyappa temple has kicked off on a positive note for the Travancore Devasam Board. Now, it is the time for the sports buffs. Athletics quarter millers camped moved to Thiruvananthapuram. The track relaying work at the LNCPE Center in Thiruvananthapuram is not yet completed, but the Athletic Federation of India has shifted its national camp for quarter-millers, hurdles and relay runners from Patiala to the Kerala capital. PV Sindhu and K. Srikanth eyed constantly at Indonesian Open world champion PV Sindhu and formed world number 1 K. Srikanth will look for a constituent show in the rupees 8,50,000 Indonesian Open starting here on Tuesday. Both bowed out in the semi-final at the Indonesian Master. Now, order to school news. One of our alumni, Nandana Vinod Yas, graduated in BSc Chemistry and Industrial Chemistry. She has achieved the 9th rank. Her sibling, Navya Vinod Yas, also studying at our school. We feel proud on her achievement. On behalf of the Samadhi and school, we wish all success to her bright future also.
Ashoka, the last major emperor of the Mauryan dynasty of India, his vigorous patronage of Buddhism during his reign furthered the expansion of that religion throughout India. Following his successful the bloody conquest of the Kalinga country on the east coast, Ashoka renowned armed conquest and adopted a policy that he called conquest by dharma, by principles of right life. In order to gain wide publicity for his teachings and his work, Ashoka made them known by means of oral announcements and by engraving on rocks and pillars at suitable sites. These inscriptions, the rocks edicts and pillars edicts, Example, the lion capital of the pillar found at Saranath, which has become India's national emblem. Mostly dated in various years of his region, contain statements regarding his throughout and action and provide information on his life and acts. His utterances of frank and sincerity. According to his own accounts, Ashoka conquered the Kalinga country, modern Orissa state, in the 18th year of his region. The suffering that the war inflicted on the defeated people moved him to such remorse that he renounced armed conscience. That was at this time that he came in touch with Buddhism and adopted it. Under its influence and promoted by his own dynamic temperament, he resolved to live according to and preach the Dharma and to serve his subjects and all humanity.
After that, now watch the mind-blowing performance of our child, Prodigy.
Namaste. Today here I am came to introduce myself. My name is Jyotika PS, a 7th standard student of this school. My father, Mr. Pradeep Kumar, he worked in Indian Army. My mother, Mrs. Sandhya, she is a homemaker. My grandmother, Omanama, my sister, Devika PS. She is a 10th standard student of this school. My hobbies are painting and dancing. My ambition is become a police officer. That's all. Namaste.
Namaste. Let me introducing myself. I am Kavya Suresh. I am a 7th standard student of this school. My father is Mr. Suresh Kumar. He works at Saudi Arabia. My mother is Mrs. Santhya. She is a homemaker. My elder sister is Surya Suresh. She is a 9th standard student of this school. My hobbies are reading, drawing, singing. Thank you.
That is all for today. See you tomorrow.